What next after setting up the tool? Once you've finished setting up Konnect Insights, you can monitor results, take actions on your data, check reports using the dashboard. Monitoring results is simple. All the results for the created topic are visible under the Monitor tab located at the top. Results from all platforms like blogs, forums, consumer forums, news, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and video content matching your topic keywords can be seen here. You can always choose the platforms you want to see the results from. For example, if you don't want to see the results from Twitter, just uncheck Twitter and click on the filter button. You can apply additional filters using the Query Builder or the Search Within Search feature. In the center, you will see all the results for your selected date range. You can always choose different dates from the date range selector at the top right. Konnect Insights allows you to create multiple topics. If you want to choose another topic, just go to the drop-down at the top with the current topic name written on it and choose the desired topic from the list. To see the results from your Twitter handles and Facebook page, simply click on Social Messages. Now let us look at actions that can be taken on your data. When you hover over a conversation, you'll see a few icons pop up. These are nothing but actions. With actions, you can bookmark a conversation, mark it irrelevant, change its sentiment, send it as an email, classify it, and assign tasks to a particular user. Do check our social CRM video to understand these actions in detail. Any action you take is saved. You can see it under the Bookmark tab with a unique ID, message comment, assign by, assign to, notes, and a few other details. Now let's look at the dashboards. Dashboards are ready once setup is completed. Konnect Insights offers you various dashboards to analyze your data. The Share of Voice dashboard allows you to compare various topics for volumes of conversations. Sentiment analysis will show you the sentiment reports. There are more than 15 metrics around sentiment in this dashboard. The Media Type Analysis dashboard is where volumes of conversations can be analyzed for various media types. That is conversations on Twitter, news, forums, and other platforms. Campaign analytics can be done for Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. You also have turnaround time reports for CRM purposes. And subscribe to Konnect Insights for more such videos.